Hello, welcome to another video. This is Washim Akram. Today I'm excited to show you another WinForms application featuring a very basic dashboard design. Let's dive in and see what this dashboard has to offer. At the right side, you will notice the maximize and close button for easy Windows management. If you click on the maximize button, it will maximize the windows. On the left side, there's an icon to expand or call off the sidebar, providing a clear and responsive navigation experience. If you click on the dashboard, it will load the dashboard. And if you click on the menu, it will open to submenu and you can select submenu 1, submenu 2. And if you click on the about, it will load the about section as well. And same for settings. And if you click on the logout, it will show logged out. That's the design overview of this basic dashboard. So this is the code of this form application. Here, this is the form designer, and let's go to code. Here in the constructor, first when it initialize, I have set the submenu height to 90, and then there we have the mouse event to control the Windows movement. And then let's see this active menu, which is very crucial, like which active menu we're clicking or which item is selected. This function help to highlight that button. And lastly, let's see another function, which is button makes one click. This help to maximize and normalize the window. Here we have a simple if else statement, a very simple function, but it do a significant thing, right? Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.